So in this section, let's talk about exception handling in Java. First, we're going to learn what is an exception, and then how to create exceptions in Java. Then we'll cover the difference between errors and exceptions. And then we'll talk about the types of exceptions. Then we'll learn try-catch block. Then we'll learn finally block. Then we'll learn how to use throw and throws as keywords. And then to wrap it up, I'll give you some useful exception methods. What is exception? An exception is a special type of error. So during the execution of a program, that means a runtime, it's something that disrupts the normal flow of the program's instructions. Abnormal conditions that occur while executing the program will cause exceptions. So while writing the program, these conditions are not known, right? So if you don't consider these conditions, the execution can be terminated abruptly. For example, division by 0 will cause an error in a program. The Java language provides an excellent exception handling mechanism. So these mechanisms minimize the chances of a system crash or abrupt program termination. So for this reason, Java is known as a robust language.